Good job.
Now I have to keep like this.
Good job.
Now I can do an H like this. I can do B like this. And go like this. And then I can do A like this. Like this. Why? It's pretty long across there. Why? I cannot do Y, Mommy.
You can do Y. You did it before on the front.
Well, can you do it with me, please?
Remember how you did the Y and the happy? Okay, try and do it.
I cannot do it though.
Remember here, I'll show you. You did it right here.
Yeah.
You did it right there.
Oh.
Okay?
Like this. And then like this.
Good
It
job.
says, what is, I cannot say it.
It starts with a B.
Happy birthday.
Mhm.
It's happy birthday.
Who's that card for?
Happy birthday. I have to do A.
You did. That's the A. A.
It says
Right here on the front says happy.
happy.
Happy
And what does that say?
birthday. Do you want to write Tia?
Happy birthday. Yeah.
Do a T.
Tia. Okay, like that, and then do like this.
Okay, now an I.
I
Now A.
cannot do A.
Like this, right here. That's an A.
Oh. That's Tia.
Good job.
Tia. Now this is for now.
Are you done?
Yeah. Is it dry now?
Let's see the front. Show me the front.
Okay.
So cute. Good job.
Now we have to. The back.